Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to test your pocket loss on your Windows computer. I'll show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type ping space minus symbol n space. Now you can enter in the number of times you want to test. So we want to do 100 times. You could type in 100. You want to do 50, just type in 50, or 25, you can do 25. It's up to you guys. I'm gonna do 75, and then you are going to type in the IP address you want to test your connection to. So if you want to do Google, before typing the IP address you just need to leave a space over there, and now you just need to type, for example I'm gonna type Google IP address guys, 8888, and Cloudflare is 1.1.1.1, just for example there. And after typing the IP addresses you just need to press enter, and it will give 70 times based on what I based on the parameters that I give it. So just give it a moment over here. Now you can able to see the 0% pocket loss over here. That will tell you have any pocket loss. If you do have any, I would suggest considering reaching out to your internet service provider. You see that we are all good here. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.